Hi, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, I will talk about the Hebrew alphabet print form. Yes, this is going to be a crash course, how to read books and newspapers in Hebrew. So you have to learn and memorize the Hebrew alphabet print form. There are 22 letters in Hebrew, plus 5 final letters. Of the 22 letters, there are 4 letters that are mother of readings, and they can serve as vowels. But we'll get to that. Don't worry. I will show you the letters and I will make a sound of the letters. I hope it won't be too funny. So let's start this journey. The first letter is Aleph, 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 Aleph. Yes, the sound of A, E, U, I. It depends on many things, but first you should know that it is Aleph, like Alek, Alek. The second letter is Bet, Bet, Bet. The sound of B, B. But sometimes it could be the sound of V, V. So if you thinking about a word like boat, beautiful. The letter Gimel, 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 like the verb go, G, get. And then the letter Dalet, 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 like in the word door, door, D, D. And now we reached 2 letters. They are both mother of reading. He, hey, 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 like the sound of Helen, ha, ha, and vav, 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 v, v, victory, victory. The letter Zayin, 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 the sound of Z, like Zoe, Zoe. And then Chet, like from the throat, Chet, Chet, Chet. The letter Tet, 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 like in the sound of Tom. And the letter Yod, Yod, Yod. Yod is mother of reading as well. Like in the name of the city of Jerusalem in Hebrew, Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim. Y, yo. The letter Kaf, Kaf, Kaf. And sometimes it will be Chaf, Chaf, Chaf. It depends, but I will talk about it in the future. And I told you that there are 5 letters that are in the end of the word, final letters. So kaf sofit, kaf sofit, kaf sofit. And both can be the sound of as well. The letter Lamed, Lamed, Lamed. The sound of L, L, like in London, Liverpool, love. And then the letter Mem, 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 the sound of M. like in the words Madonna, May, me. There is also a Mem sofit, the same sound of Mem sofit, Mem sofit, Mem sofit. And the letter Nun, Nun, Nun. The sound of N, like in Niagara, Niagara. November, nice. And there is also a final letter, Nun sofit, Nun sofit, Nun sofit. So words like dawn and moon, when you write it in Hebrew, you write the Nun sofit. And then there is Samech, 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 sound of S, like snake, snake. Ace, base, S. Moving on to the letter Ayin, Ayin, Ayin. This letter, when we pronounce it, it sounds from the throat a bit like oh, oh, like the name Omar, the Arabic name Omar. However, nowadays most Israelis will pronounce it like Aleph. The next letter is Pei, 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 the sound of P, P, but sometimes the sound of F, F. So Pei like Pennsylvania, posh, pull, play. There is also a Pei sofit, a final Pei, Pei sofit, Pei sofit. Most of the time the sound is F, F, like oof. And the letter Tsadi, 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 the sound of Ts, Ts, like in the Hebrew word ptsatsa, ptsatsa. Tzipor, tzipor. Or metsuyan, metsuyan. The letter kof, kof, kof. The sound of k, k, k. It's stronger than the kaf, k. Like in the word kof, that it's sound the same, but it's a monkey. Kof in Hebrew, it's a monkey. Kof. The American president Barack Obama, it's Barack, Barack, k in the end of the word. And the letter Resh, 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 the sound of r, r, like rain, rain. Reuben, Gonda, r. However, in Hebrew it's r without r or r. It's just r, reish, reish, like Rivka, Rina, Rona, Ronda. The last two letters are Shin, 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 sound of sh. Shalom, Shalom, Shon, ashamed, Shanghai, Sha, Shu, and the last letter is Tav, 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 the sound of T, T, To, Ta. Please learn and memorize these letters, and in the next video I will teach you Nikud. It's how to use this form of print letters with special dots, diacritical dots that when you learn Hebrew in the beginning, they will help you your reading. In the meantime, please hit the like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and do come back because I will teach you Nikud, and you will be able to start reading as soon as possible. I promise you, it's not that difficult. So thank you for being here, and as always, I will see you in the next video.